everyone. You may have seen this fan recently. This is a Casablanca Slumber Quiet Zephyr. Got this at the fan meet for like $40. Before you saw it with like these junky painted blades, I just put them on there to see how it performed. But these are the blades that I got the fan with. Much better. As you can tell, Slumber Quiet. I did put the hang true up and everything, which is kind of rare for me. I need to start doing that more. But yeah, I'm starting to do it. We'll turn this on, I guess, while we continue, because it's going to take a little bit to speed up. I got this at the fan meet. This is probably my best fan meet, because I got some other good stuff like this. The fan meets are always fun. It's really cool to see everyone. If you are nearby, Pennsylvania, it's a fun thing to go to. But yeah, this is a pretty cool fan. I'm glad I got it. And that's the lowest setting. It's like just an accent low. We'll kind of do what we did in the other video. So we'll turn it to about there. You can hear my sister up there, sorry. I feel like this is the slowest speed I'd actually like put it on. Go about there now. A lot of the lower speeds I find are basically the same. Like, there's really not much of a difference between those speeds. We'll go, this is, I'd say, like, the closest to, like, a factory low, I guess. That's just the low of a lot of the fans here, at least. Ignore my sister upstairs, please. Yeah, it's not a bad fan. And I do feel like some gusts of air from it. Let's go to about there. Now we'll start seeing the most speed increase, I feel like. Looks faster than it is. It looks faster in person than it does on camera. Still quite slow for being this far in, though. We'll go to about there. I guess you can call this like a medium low. Now I feel like this is basically medium. It's kind of slow though, but I'd say it's basically medium. Yes, it blows well. Medium high. Blows really well, obviously. It's a Casablanca. And we'll go to high. It's definitely not the fastest for Casablanca, but it's not slow whatsoever. It does put out lots of air, obviously. I'll put it around there and off. Thank you guys for watching.